This tutorial video will show the proper way to replace a line disconnect handle on a Salvajor control panel. Shut off the power to the control panel and turn the line disconnect to the off position. Remove all screws holding the panel cover shut, then open the panel. Remove the 4 screws along with the plastic nut holding the handle in place, then remove the handle from the cover. Please note, the new assembly will have a shroud to protect the line disconnect knob. Insert the new disconnect assembly, being sure that the tab lines up with the notch in the hole on the panel's cover. Tighten the handle's plastic nut finger tight, then install and tighten the 4 screws into the assembly. Using pliers, tighten the plastic nut until it's snug. Close the panel's cover, being sure that the line disconnect handle is in the off position. Insert the screws that hold the panel cover closed and restore power to the panel. For additional questions, contact Salvajor Service Department. For notifications on new content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Salvajor.